Today in the lab, we're going to take a look at our new AC-MX-42X, which is our first HDMI 2.1 matrix switcher capable of 40 gigabits per second switching. We're going to take a look at one functionality called audio free run, which allows us to send HDMI 2.1 signals to our display while still using a legacy AVR, so that's HDMI 2.0B for Dolby Atmos. The easiest way to describe it is how the Kaleidoscape or the Oppo 203 or the UB9000 have an additional HDMI output that only outputs an audio stream with a black HDMI test pattern on there, simply because we need the HDMI pattern to sync up with the AVR. As you can see by the HDMI diagnostics page of the LG, we're getting a 4K 120 RGB 10-bit signal, which is equivalent to 40 gigs per second. You can also tell that we're doing fixed rate link, which is the new HDMI 2.1 mode of transmission, by referring to the FRL rate of 5, which is also a 40 gigs per second link rate. You're not hearing any audio because the audio free run isn't enabled. And so when we enable the audio free run mode, it allows us to get audio on our legacy HDMI 2.0B AVR.
You just want to tally
Start playing my game again.
I would say that's probably a definite.
There we go. I can disable it too. And now we no longer need to force our clients to upgrade their AVRs because we can now send the HDMI 2.1 video stream to our display while utilizing our legacy HDMI 1.4 and 2.0 audio video receivers. Thanks for watching.